The following video contains instructions for installing a size number 1 and number 2 snap fit Polyloc filter bag using the bag insertion tool and the snap fit insertion tool. Upon receiving your filter vessel, open the filter and remove the white snap fit Polyloc bag ring. This is used in some vessels for shipping purposes only and is to be discarded. Remove all other items that were shipped inside the basket. Unfold the Polyloc bag and remove the FSI paper tag. Insert the seating tool between the handles of the Polyloc top, making sure the round base runs 90 degrees opposite the flat side of the bag. This will open the bottom of the bag for proper insertion of the filter. Insert the filter bag into the basket seated in the hole. Make sure the base of the seating tool is still 90 degrees opposite the flat side of the bag. The seating tool opens up the bottom of the bag, preventing a blowout. Remove the bag insertion tool. Place the snap fit Polyloc insert tool over the bag. With both hands firmly push down on the Polyloc insert tool. An audible snap will be heard, indicating that the Polyloc bag ring is locked in place. Remove the Polyloc insert tool and make a visual check. Lightly pull on the Polyloc bag ring handles to ensure the Polyloc ring is completely seated. To remove the filter bag, pull up on the Polyloc bag ring handles until the ring pops out of the basket.